Hey guys, it's Warren here and welcome back to the LEGO Family channel. Now today we're going to be making something that's really creative, plus it's great fun to play with the kids. So here's how to make your very own Guess the Animal shadow game using DUPLO bricks and the torch on your phone. Now the DUPLO Farm Adventures set is perfect for this game because it will have all the bricks you'll need with more to spare. Simply pour all the bricks out and take the ones you'll need to build this brilliant Guess the Animal shadow game. Now start with a DUPLO base at the front, and here I'm using a green one, and this is what's going to have our screen on. Then attach another base at the back, here I'm using a brown one, then build a structure at the back to support a mobile phone with a torch shining. And this is what's going to create the shadows on our screen. And next build a 4-pillared structure using more DUPLO bricks, which we'll then use to place our screen inside. And you'll need to make sure this part is tall enough to hold a piece of paper that can cast a big enough shadow of the farmyard animals on. When you've built your 4 pillars, place a roof on top with some extra decorative DUPLO bricks. And the Farm Adventure set has loads of pieces to choose from to make this game look extra special and even more fun to play. When you're happy with how your Guess the Animal shadow game looks, cut some plain paper to size so it slots between the 4 pillars that you've built. Now darken the room that you're playing the game in, then turn the torch on your mobile phone. Rest your phone against the bricks that you built at the back of the game, then place some of your favourite DUPLO animals behind the screen. Play with your friends or family to see if they can guess which animal the shadows are of. And if you want to do something extra special, why not film your very own animal shadow puppet show? And all you need to do is set your phone to film mode and use another phone with a torch on to create the shadows. And this is great to share with your friends or family by creating your own farmyard animal stories. Now remember, there are loads of creative ways you can use DUPLO bricks to help your child develop. Also remember to subscribe to the LEGO Family channel and come back for loads more tips and hacks to help make your life just that little bit easier.